Hello and welcome back to our next video and lecture from this course entitled 5 ways to start a home-based online business or an online home-based business, however you want to call it. Okay, basically in the previous video we have showed you the fifth business model, which is selling printables online, so personalized products for different marketplaces. And now we want to show you some examples of how this can work for you in your advantage and how you can profit from this, so you can have a clearer overview of how this works. Okay, now what we have told you in the previous lecture and video is to create accounts on Gearbubble. Here we are on Gearbubble, on Zazzle, okay, on Teespring. You can see teespring.com here. So on all of these print-on-demand platforms. For example, Gearbubble, you can see here, start selling your own products today. So it's free to get started right away with Gearbubble. You can see that actually they have an example here with some items like a necklace and a coffee mug, which has sold in over 10,000 units, which is a lot if you think about. I mean, that's very, very profitable. So it's free to create an account. You just click on the get started button right away. You create your account, and basically what they will do, they will have like a standard price for each of the objects or products that you personalized, and over that standard price you put your profit margin. Okay, so for example, maybe they will tell you like, okay, to create this coffee mug costs you $6. Then after those $6 you can put the price as high as you want. Okay, so you just have to go up over the $6 so that you can cover your costs. Okay, so basically maybe you can sell the coffee mug for like $15, and probably you can do that, right? And Gearbubble is one of the websites where you definitely want to create an account, because they have different types of products that you can sell. As you can see, you have necklaces, you have t-shirts, you have coffee mugs, pillows, sweaters, okay, personalized phone cases, rings, whatever you can think of. Okay, so you have a lot of options, right? Another great website is Zazzle. Okay, so on Zazzle you can even sell business cards, invitations, different clothing and stuff like that. So you can see that we have sell on Zazzle. We have these options here. Okay, then we have Teespring. Teespring was one of the first popular print-on-demand websites in the whole world, and they have different stuff like apparel. Okay, so apparel, so basically clothing. Then we have home decor. Okay, canvas prints, pillows, posters, tapestries, socks. They even sell socks, which is crazy, right? Then you have like mugs, okay, pillows and other stuff like that, phone cases, accessories, flags. You can sell beach towels, flags, and then mugs again. Okay, so you have a lot of options. That's the whole idea, right? So after you find something which sells well, you just create an account here on this website, select which one is the best for you, or you can, let's say, you can work the best with. And then what you want to do is go ahead on Amazon, for example, .com, and you'll find here personalized. Let's look for personalized mug. Okay, so basically you can see here that people are selling this type of products: $15, $11, $12, $17, $15. Okay, so a lot of people are selling these products, so it's a pity for you not to sell them, right? Because probably, let's say that this type of very simple coffee mug on Gearbubble will not cost you more than $6. Okay, and you will sell it with like 15, so you add up 200%, so your profit margin is 200%, which is not bad at all if you think about it, right? So as you can see, you just have to create a seller account on Amazon. You create your mug on Gearbubble, then you list the product here and you start selling it. Okay, you can even advertise inside of Amazon and stuff like that. Then another option is to go on Etsy, you know, the platform we have talked about. Again, I've took the liberty of searching coffee mugs for you guys. You can see that they are selling it. This is in euro, that means around $10, $14, $20, $10. Okay, so you have different options, but the whole idea is that you get at least 100% profit margin from this, which is pretty great, right? Then on eBay is the same thing. Let's search for personalized mug. Okay, you will see it's basically the same thing. Okay, let's scroll down. The same thing. Okay, we have prices starting from $9.98, $11, $8, something simpler, $12, $16, $18. So we have a lot of options, guys. We have a lot of options. Okay, so basically this is how this works. And how do you get these designs? Well, it's very simple. You can either do them yourself, or you go ahead on a platform like Fiverr or Freelancer or Upwork and search for a designer. Or for example, t-shirt design. Okay, you can see that we can already we have keyword suggestion, t-shirt design, so we can already find people who are selling t-shirt designs. Okay, I will create a t-shirt design. I will do exclusive t-shirt design. So you have prices starting from $5, which is not bad at all. Okay, $5, so not bad at all. Okay, you can even look for mug design. Let's see if we find something. Mug design. Okay, we have mug design as well, which is pretty cool. So we have that as well. So as you can see, guys, this is not hard at all. It's actually pretty easy. Now, this is the last business model that we wanted to share with you. You can see that this is very easy to apply and create. We hope that this was helpful and interesting for you, and we are looking forward to see you in our next video.